What's up, peeps? K and R back, and we're back for the attack, boy. I'm telling you, after a long time of research and looking at reviews, financial part of it, to see if it's even worth it getting it, checking with friends and family and whatnot, we made our decision, didn't we? That's right. The smoker has arrived. And I'd like to introduce you to him. I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed. And not just that, but we are going to go full send on this thing. We're not going to do anything small. We're not going to do anything, oh, let's just test it out. Heck no. I'm putting this thing to the test, and you're not going to want to miss this. I promise you. We're back.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I read.
Oh yeah, she is getting smoked up, getting ready. You see that? That's the temperature she's going out. Have you noticed that antenna? That's for the Wi-Fi that I can control with my phone. I'm telling you, this is so fire. So it's time to spray it. What I've done is I put about four ounces apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to fill up the rest of the jug with this apple juice, and that's what we're going to spray it with. As you can tell, apple cider vinegar, apple juice, got it mixed up. Look at that color. Take a look. Look at that. We're up to 172. I think we're gonna pull this bad boy up. Then we're gonna pull this bad boy off of here and wrap it up. See what we can do. Alright, so temperature of the pork butt about 170. Wrap this bad boy up and then put it back on. Get the meat thermometer out of there. Smell all them juices? My goodness. We got our apple juice and apple cider vinegar mixture. We'll put a liberal amount on there. Confined spaces. guys can do this with aluminum foil or the butcher paper. Then we take that, throw it back on the grill. Then we're gonna put the meat thermometer back in there. Close it back up. We'll check back in that in a couple of hours. Okay, it's been resting for roughly 2 hours. So let's just take a gander, shall we? Oh, now the true test. You ready for this?
Look at that!
Just fell right out of there. Look at that. Holy moly. Alright, so we have a true taste tester with us today. We're gonna see what they think.
Wow, look at that smoke ring and bark. Delicious. Money, man.
Now, do you think that pork butt was enough? Oh no. Oh no. We got some chicken quarters too, man. I told you, we're going full send with this bad boy. And we're gonna see how these things come out. We did the pork butt with all the rub and the seasoning, which came out amazing. But now, we're gonna do some chicken quarters with a nice conglomerate of barbecue sauces. And see how they come out. See how the smoker holds up. I'm telling you, man, this is going to be amazing. Why, hello there. So, with the chicken thighs, see, I got grounded from spices and barbecue sauces because I was accumulating a bunch because I was cooking all the time. But since the smoker went down and I had the griddle, I wasn't cooking so much. So, I've accumulated too much stuff and been grounded from getting any more. So we decided that on the chicken thighs, we are going to use 4 different barbecue sauces and see how they come out. Let's check it out. So as you can tell, we're gonna use honey barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's, Guy Fieri's brown sugar, sticky sweet, Lewisburg Cider Mills honey crisp apple, and this adobo tequila. Oof, this kind of excited about. I think I only used part of it one time, but we got our chicken thighs all cleaned up. Or chicken quarters, sorry. So, 4 different plates, 4 different sauces. Alright, so we got the ideal temperatures. So first, the Guy Fieri. We're gonna set it in there, kind of towards the back and to the left. Lewisburg cider mill. And this is pretty big. We're gonna put it to the back, to the right. Alright. Sweet Baby Ray's is left front. Finally, the adoba tequila. It's gonna be front right. Boy, this is gonna be entertaining. We'll have to do some adjustments after a bit, but they're all on there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the meat thermometer in there. Now, if I don't have my phone and I want to check it, all I do is hit the little food button, and then boom, it tells me the temperature of what the food is. But I can always check my phone because it's got Wi-Fi, baby! Alright, we're gonna check that after a bit. You're not gonna be disappointed, man, I promise you. Alright. Peeling them off now. These are the Sweet Baby Ray ones. Get them. Look at that blur. Look at those adoba tequila ones. Guy Fieri. And Lewisburg cider mill. We're gonna let those rest just for a minute and cool down, and then do some taste testing and see what's cracking.
Woohoo!
So you know, we can't do a K&R without random family showing up. Yeah, they're not random strangers anymore. They become family. I'm surprised they haven't moved in next to us yet.
Family.
I'm sure that's on it. Now Jerry has got the one with the Guy Fieri's barbecue sauce on it.
Delicious.
Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I think we came out pretty good.
It came out amazing.
So, with that being said, we're gonna chill, we're gonna eat. We appreciate you guys watching, and again, K&R is back. So look forward to a lot more of this coming your way.
Thank God.
Deuces.